And we are live! Hello, hello, hello! Good morning. Actually, good afternoon na pala dito sa UAE. Hello guys, welcome back to my page and to my channel. And yes, good morning, good afternoon, good evening from wherever you guys are tuning in from. Welcome back to my live. And today, extra special tayo. Kasi ayan, nakikita niyo sa screen. I have my sister by heart with me. And she's an amazing human being, traveler yan, explorer yan, Dora the Explorer yan. At of course, digital business owner din siya. And nandito kami to share her story also. And kasi she started as hesitant, like many of us naman din talaga. From, syempre, kapag papasok kasi hindi mo alam talaga, magiging hesitant ka. But then again, from that hesitant point to confident, siya yon. Siya na siya. And kaya naman, I'm gonna give you the screen, Ate Susan from Cyprus. Yes, welcome to my page.
Hello.
Yeah.
Hello, everybody. Hello. In Philippines now is
pahapon na.
Good evening. Magandang gabi sa Pilipinas po.
At
in
sa Bicol
America is good morning. In Cyprus, Kalimera, Kipro, Kielada.
Ang dami. May Bicol pa tayo, te. May Bicol ka pa.
Bicol pa. Maray na aldo kaninyo po ngamin sa babayan kong Sinilangan.
Ayan. Kasi mga Bicolanas kami. Ayan. And, okay, te. So, how do you feel?
How I feel? Okay lang.
Ayos na. Okay. Actually, this is gonna be her first time doing the live. And exciting din kasi alam niyo, kapag yung mga first time talaga, masaya yan. Oo. Umpisa lang medyo kakabahan ka pero as we go along, as we talk and discuss things, normal na talaga siya. Okay, now, anyway. So, Ate Sue, we really wanted to know your story. Paano ka naging business owner? Tsaka a little bit of you.
Introduce ko muna yung ko.
Yes, a little bit of you. Yeah, give us something.
Okay. Hi, everyone. My name is Susan Lungares Theodosio. I'm a wife and I'm a mother of two grown-up handsome men living in Cyprus for almost 3 decades. Yes, but originally from Philippines.
Mabuhay!
Yeah, mabuhay po kayong lahat. Mabuhay tayong lahat. God bless us.
Okay. Sige, te. Go ahead. Ano yung mga hobbies mo? Gusto namin malaman. Kasi iba-iba talaga tayo ng anong hobbies mo?
Since childhood, talagang gusto ko nang mag-travel. Talagang yan na siguro yung from the beginning until my mid-age. Talagang gusto, ano to, Jed, is a frustrated flight stewardess.
Oh, yes, I know. Ate, kasi nga pala kayo ni Ate Ann. Pares kayong mga di ba kasi nga tourism ang mga di ba? Yeah. Oh, yes. Kasi naman matatangkad kayo. So actually, pwede naman talaga kayo. Ako lang hindi masyadong biniyayaan. Okay.
So talagang yung dream ko, after my college, after I finish my college, I fly away. Talagang my dream is to fly. Yes. So talagang fina-follow ko lang yung yung dream ko.
Which is good.
Kasi,
Until now. And even better ngayon, 'di ba? Kasi yung dream mo, nag-enjoy ka na, nagiging way pa para mag-earn ka. 'Di ba? Bongga. Okay. Yes. Ako naman, I will just say a little bit of I'll just add up to it. Kasi kami ni Ate, she's a childhood college BFF ng aking ate. So the last time we saw each other,
You're
baka
still
ganito pa rin.
young. You're still
Siguro,
wearing your high school skirt,
oh my
if
goodness,
I
high school
remember.
skirt pa. Oh my
Yeah.
God. Tapos ito na nga siya. So, of course, we had our own lives. Nawala na yung contact and all. And guess what? Dito kami ulit,
Facebook.
Facebook. Because of Facebook, ito ulit. Dito kami nagkaroon ng contact once again and also because of the business. Kasi, nga paano nga ba tayo naging friends dito sa Facebook? Maybe before, pero we're not that in the conversation. We are just seeing a glimpse of
Yeah.
our lives, no? Ganun lang, no? And
How's your
then,
family? How's my best friend?
yeah, so ganun siya. And then, just because of this business, eto, naging ganito ulit. Naging ganito ulit. So imagine the difference yung time. 3 decades din, 30 years. Oo nga naman, kasi ang liit ko pa nun eh.
Yeah.
Isipin mo naman, almost 40 na, baka 35, baka nga about 40. Oo nga, no, masyadong malaki ang difference nung nawala sa ating ano. Pero thankful, kasi eto, may means tayo. And I am just so happy na sa ganitong pagkakataon, nagkaroon tayo ulit ng connection. Diba? Bongga.
And
O kaya naman.
we are blessed. So blessed.
Yes, and we are business partners right now. Oh, ang bongga talaga, te. Ang bongga. Okay, ngayon. Sige. Since you love traveling, I can see it. Actually, she's fond of traveling. Kung saan na siya nakapunta. Ang dami-dami na. Her list goes long and all. At marami ka pang alam kung gustong puntahan. Ngayon,
Oh, yes.
we really wanted to know. Ito ang una ko sa yung gustong malaman. What made you consider starting an online business in the first place? Kasi nagagawa mo na yung mga gusto mong gawin actually eh. Pero why? Why kinonsider mo pa rin na, sige, mag-online business din ako?
Not only my passion to travel and adventure, I want also to help others.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, I know.
First, my family back to Philippines, and maybe one day I can have my own house or something in Philippines. Beach house.
Wow, resort, wow. Everybody's dream, ate. Yes. So yon, of course, yeah. So, ayun, we can see the difference right now. Kasi some people really wanted to join the online business because they desperately need a side hustle. Hindi enough yung kita, yung from their regular jobs, and or sometimes wala pa nga silang ibang source of income. But for ate, she considered joining and doing the online business to amp up her passion para mas lalo pang gumanon. And also, makagawa pa siya ng iba pang bagay na
Yes.
mas mapapadali kung meron kang extra na
extra income.
extra income, extra budget. And that will be very, very good, very fulfilling kapag nagawa natin yon. And meron din kaming actually one thing in common din eh. Napag-usapan lang natin, di ba?
Yes, about charity.
Meron tayong gustong gawin na
one day
we will be able to do that day. One day we'll do that. Okay, so ayan, it's just a matter of when. Alam na natin kung paano. Okay, now moving on, dito naman tayo sa ano naman ang nag-convince sa'yo to finally take the first step? Dahil ba yun sa mga nakita mo sa amin, sa akin, or sa mga nasa community, or you have something else na, okay, this is it. Gagawin ko to.
No, it's because I'm a former business owner too. It's difficult to become a employee. Like I work in 3 different companies. Yung meron kang boss, parang hindi ko na kayang
Ganun ulit.
magkaroon
Ganun
ulit
na
ng
setup.
boss.
Mhm.
Meron na
Correct.
ako ngayong flexibility.
Exactly. Yes.
I can do whatever I want
Yun
with
eh.
this online business.
Yun eh.
With this online business.
Mm-mm. Exactly. So, yeah. Yun ang actually pinaka the best na meron din sa atin talaga dito. Ano yung unang binibigay ng business? Flexibility. Kasi hindi natin makukuha yung ganitong klaseng flexibility kung tayo ay nasa isang kumpanya, nangangamuhan, 'di ba? Empleyado, meron kang oras na kailangan pumasok ka ng ganito, lalabas ka ng ganito.
Yes.
Pero dito sa atin, hawak natin ang oras, kontrolado natin. Gumising
It's
ka ng medyo
difficult
tanghali.
you to
Okay lang.
from boss to employee again.
Oo nga. Medyo mahirap 'yon. I feel you, ate. From employee, I became a boss and maybe dahil naramdaman ko na, nakita ko na yung kaibahan and how flexible it is, medyo tsaka na-absorb ko na and na-embrace ko na yung kagandahan na pag-boss ka. Mas na-appreciate ko na mas may future when you have something you call your own. 'Di ba? Kesa sa nakatali ka lang, you are tied down with, and you're working for someone.
Yeah.
Kaya, yes, I feel you. Okay, and yes, so moving on. Okay, now, um, ano naman ang most rewarding part ng pag-embrace mo dito sa journey? Kasi, actually, ang dami nating funny moments eh. From the start. Comedy nga lahat ng ginagawa natin ng mga una. Pero so far, anong most rewarding mo na feel in this journey?
Hindi lang sa nag-improve ang personality ko, nag-growth pa yung aking marami na akong new skills.
Oh, yes.
Oh, yes.
Oh, yes.
And because with my amazing mentor, Jed, you are so generous on your time.
Thank you,
Yeah, you're always
ate.
there.
And you know naman, the
Yeah.
core of this journey is not just to earn for yourself, but to be of help din sa marami. And by helping people grow, you are helping yourself grow also.
Yeah.
Kasi natututo ka eh.
It's
Siyempre, yung
both,
mga
it's
ano ba,
both personally and professionally.
professionally, yes. Kaya
Yeah.
it's an honor talaga na makatrabaho or
Yeah,
makakolab ang marami.
yung brain kong na-stuck before,
Ngayon
ngayon,
talagang ano na, no? Drew. Ngayon nabibisi ka na, di ba?
yes,
Okay. So, yeah, okay nga. Now,
I'm busy but still doing my passion. Gardening, sports,
sports.
and I love cooking too. O, di ba?
Oh, di ba? Ang dami pang extracurricular activities. Meron kang
Oh,
Pilates every
nagagawa ko na yun
Thursday.
lahat.
O meron ka pang, baka naman ituloy mo pa
Simultaneously,
yung,
doing my online business, travel there, adventure here.
posible siya. Kasi posible nga talaga, di ba? Na kaya mo siyang ma-squeeze in sa mga schedule because it doesn't require so much of the time na unlike kapag, syempre, kapag talagang empleyado tayo, naka-fix na yun eh. But here, okay, you've got extra hour, you've got extra couple of hours, then use it for the business. And then do another thing na gusto
I
mong
have
gawin
my
for the day.
I have my own schedule in the morning. I don't rush. You know, I drink my coffee with my time, my own time.
Ayun.
No rushing, no.
Did you expect this? Na ganito pala siya? Na ang papasukin mong digital business is like this? Do you have any expectation before, te? Hindi.
Ini-expect ko na yun kasi expected ko na ganun talaga na meron talaga akong flexible time.
Mm-mm. Given talaga siya.
Yun
Yun
talagang
ang
hinahanap ko.
And also,
And I quit my job. O, di ba? I'm a
yeah,
full
yes, she quit her job immediately
ayoko
already.
ayoko ng may boss ako na nag-dictate sa akin kung anong gagawin ko.
Nakakaloka. Yeah. She quit her job and that's it. And she is full time. So that is the beauty of this. Kasi you can go back, you can do it whenever you really want to do it and
And at
different
anywhere you want, at
anywhere you
any
want.
time.
Oh,
Yeah.
ayan, sa veranda mo. Diyan, ang ganda ng ano ng location mo, o 'di ba? It is so relaxing, not stressful. Alam mo 'yon, just leave your
Yeah.
laptop there and the system is working for you while you are enjoying your time, your peace diyan. Ganyan. So, this is actually most of the people para sa lahat ideal life na siya. And thank you kasi nakaka-access na tayo sa ganitong klase, 'di ba? And
Ito talaga
there will
siguro
be
ang
more.
ano ko, ang dream ko na ganitong business.
Mm. This is for you. This is really for you. You are cut to it. Mm. Okay. Aywa. Okay, now. So, eto na tayo, te. Sa challenges naman, let's see.
Oh,
Ito yan. What challenges have you faced along the way and how did you overcome them? I know. Ito na yan. Ito talaga.
ito na yung mga challenges natin.
Sa comedy.
Yung aking brain na natulog, yung aking brain na stuck, talagang it's
Mm-mm.
challenge talaga sa akin to. Ano, yung new skills na mahirap talagang para sa akin.
Mm. Mm-mm.
But it's now
Pero,
it's very easy now.
na-warm up ka na kasi, 'di ba?
Yes,
Tsaka
yes.
yung ano, we have the training,
From the
napaka-comprehensive niya.
beginning, yeah,
Oo,
it's
video-based siya. So pwede mo siyang balik-balikan, hindi mo na-gets ngayon,
yeah,
maya-maya,
yes.
sige, balikan ko every ano. So kaya madali siyang gawin, kaya talagang sinasabi namin dito sa business na 'to. This is designed for anyone and everyone. But of course, not everyone naman can really do it, 'di ba? So, but still, kahit ano pang background mo, educational background mo, pwede sa'yo to if you really wanted to go for it. And many succeeded already kahit totally wala silang experience.
Experience, yeah.
Maski sa social media, wala silang mga social media platforms, they don't know how to use it. But still, they succeeded. And look at them right now. They're just like doing things na parang, ano lang, it's just like a piece
It's
of cake.
just like
Oo,
a
di ba?
habit.
Habit na siya. So that
Uh,
is because we have a system, all-inclusive system that really works, and provides everything that we need and does all the heavy lifting for us. So kaya simplified na para sa amin. So ayun lang. And ano pa yung mga challenges, te? I know, meron tayo mga challenges when it comes to our gadgets. Okay?
oh,
Kasi
oh,
kasi we did not, ako personally, I did
I
not
was not ready.
encourage
Yeah,
for someone to buy a new computer
laptop.
or a new phone to do this. No. Kung ano ang meron ka, yun na yun. Gagamitin natin yan. As long as nag-on siya, as long as malinaw yung screen, as long as may
Oh,
sound
yun
siya,
yun ang pinaka-challenge sa akin na nangyari.
yun, di ba?
Yung
Pero ano yung natutunan mo naman doon? Patience.
talagang ano, it inquires patience na malaki, hindi lang maliit.
Mm. Yes, yes. Pero naitawid natin with very old kasi talagang hindi ko siya
Yung
inano na.
laptop ko na yun, yun yung gamit ko pa nung ano, meron akong money transfer. Ginagamit ko pa yun, nandun pa lahat yung ano, pinagbubura ko na lang.
So old talaga as in 10 years
Yes,
old or more, 10 years old, more pa.
15.
15 years old.
15
So
years
syempre
old.
talagang
And yet, I'm here.
pero 'di ba nagawa?
Yes.
Kahit ganun yung struggle dun sa part na yon. But I told her, okay, let's use this. Kaya yan. As long as it's
Mm.
still working, kahit mabagal, we can do this. And see? she doesn't have to spend on that because she has the gadgets, the tools. Pero ngayon, bongga na.
Yes.
Lahat bongga. Lahat
We
nakabago
did
ka.
it.
Yes, lahat nakabago ka na, pati ang phone nakakaloka siya. Okay, now eto na ate. This is the thing most na kailangan or gustong marinig ng ating mga viewers because maybe nakaka-relate sila sa iyo, they have the same dream as you or alam mo na. So pero nagdadalawang isip sila or very unsure. So, eto yon. What would you say to someone who's hesitant to start their own online business?
Uh, to all parents out there like me, they have kailangan nilang wag na yung maghintay ka pa ng tamang panahon. Today is the right time.
Today's the
Kasi kung
day.
maghintay ka pa, kagaya ko, sana noon pa na ko yung online business. Way
True.
back 5 years after I closed my business. Sana noon pa, hindi ngayon. Naghintay pa ako ng 5 years. Naging employee pa ako in a different companies. Mahirap maging empleyado ka. Ayan na nga
Totoo.
yung boss mo, yung oras. Talagang itong business na to, nandito yung flexibility ko. Pwede kong gawin anywhere kahit nasa travel ako or anytime.
Yes.
So,
Kaya. Yes, this is totoo naman kasi talaga. Yun actually yun ang mga common regrets ate. Common regrets yan.
we have to decide now what you
Yes.
really want. Not tomorrow.
Not tomorrow. It's today.
It's today. Now.
Yeah, take action now. Kasi the reason why you are seeing this video, kasi you were looking also for something to change your life, tama. So, once maka-encounter ka rin ng mga ganito, you have all your all the time for you to check it and do your due diligence. Itong program namin actually, we are providing that flexibility to everyone for them to really see what this business is all about, what's in it. So meron kaming trial period na sinasabi. We've got 30 days trial period, money back guarantee. So, an amount of $149, okay, yung iba, medyo malalakihan doon. But some, they will find it very okay, reasonable, because when they get to see what's inside, doon sila makakapag-decide, okay, ito yung hinahanap ko. Ito pala yun eh. Bakit ngayon ko lang nakita? Or pwede namang, okay, no, maybe not yet for me. Maybe I'll need some more time. But at least we are giving the chance for everyone to see it. And 30 days is 30 days. You can see everything. You can see the results of all the people that are into the business. And mind you, napakalaki na ng community to, and it's in global scale. So, yeah.
It's very reasonable price, Jed, because it's you learn a lot of new skills, and it's like you're still in a college.
Correct.
You learn a lot.
Tsaka up to date tayo kung ano yung
Yeah.
trend. Yes, because we are doing the digital marketing. So, syempre kung ano yung in ngayon sa digital world, yun ang kailangan naming mapag-aralan, ma-adapt, and we have all the trainings to do that na tumutulong sa amin. And yes, and lagi ko ring sinasabi, kasi 'di ba nga, marami talaga naghahanap ng online business. Marami diyan. But when you encounter yung sasabihin na this is free, you don't have to pay anything, but you will you will profit this much, you will earn this much in a very short period of time. Be mindful, be careful on that. Kasi yun yung, for me, that is not real. Walang lehitimong negosyo na hindi ka mag-invest. be it monetary, be it effort or time, yung tatlong yan, laging kasama yan. If we are talking about a real taxable legitimate business. So, yeah, be careful everyone. Kapag may nag-offer na sa inyo ganun, libre, okay, by next week meron kang $1,000, takbo ka na! Takbo palayo! Because there's nothing as free na ganyan. Okay. And
This
this is
business is lifetime. That's why.
exactly, I was about to say, this is lifetime. This is a legacy where you can pass it on to your family, to your children when the time
Yeah.
has come. So, kaya ganun siya
It's not other
mm,
business when it's there's a crisis, the
mm,
business shuts like mine
yes,
before. But
yes.
this online business is a lifetime.
Correct. And yes, then let's just say hi to our Brandy from Cyprus. Also, she's watching us right now. Hi, love, Brandy. How are you? Yes, she says keep the fire burning. Of course, yes. We all have this energy. Good afternoon to you, my love. Okay, I think I will talk to you in a bit. No, so you just wait for me. Okay. Yes. So, Ate, you can invite our
Yeah,
uh,
okay. So if you
viewers to
ever interesting anyone, everyone on earning online business, please visit my website www.susantheodosio.com and start now, not tomorrow. Like
like today,
like
right now,
today.
as in right now. You see this video, puntahan niyo na yung website niya, just put in your valid email address and you will get to receive this free business presentation where you can see the business model and yeah, you can do the following steps from that. So watch it. Okay, it might long, maybe a 60, 90 minutes business presentation, but it has two components. So one is
And it's
about the
free.
business itself, yes, and another part, the end part is the stories, the testimonials, and the success stories of the people are in this business. Kaya ayon, and yes, also you can also find all this information in our respective business pages. So yeah, Susan Theodosio and me, Jed Lopez, and I think that would be it. Yes, ate. And oh, hi, there's one more. Hi, Coach Bessie. Thank you for dropping by. We're almost done with the live chat. And yes, hello, hello. She's watching from Greece. Ayan.
Oh.
Say hi ka na ate kay Coach Bessie. And
Hi, Coach Bessie. It's my
so, yes.
it's my first time, so it's like I'm not really talkative. Maybe
Pero
the
sa
next.
Pero behind the screen, no? Behind the madaldalan talaga tayo. Ang dami nating
Yeah.
chika. Actually, in a day talagang almost every day kami nakakapag-usap natin just for other matters, not for the business. So, ayun. Anyway, okay, I think that would be all, ate. You have anything to say pa sa ating mga friends and viewers? Anything? Last words?
Thank you everyone for your time.
And yun na. Ang
Nawawala
tipid!
ako sa'yo.
ng ate ko. Okay. All right. All right, guys. Thank you so much for staying with us, and I hope you get inspired, and also now that we've given you some more insights about the business, you might consider it and just follow your guts. That's it. Ako naman ganun lang eh. Follow your guts. You see something, you're looking
Let's
for
follow
something,
our
follow.
vision.
Yeah.
Follow our
Yes.
dreams.
Follow your dreams. Yes. And don't just dream. Take action.
Take
Make it happen. Oh, bongga. Okay. All right. So maraming salamat again. And thank you guys for tuning in. And we will see you on our next one. Magandang araw po sa lahat. And God bless everybody. Goodbye. Bye,
God
bye,
bless
bye.
everyone.